Depending on what content you choose for your listings will make a difference in what you have available to post. However, each platform prefers a specific type of content, and that's shifted a lot over the past few years. The best way to share your listing on Facebook is through a listing video, your photo set, and a 3D tour if you have it. Facebook likes longer form videos, so utilizing your full listing video here is super helpful. Facebook also offers the option to upload full photo albums. However, choosing a few highlight photos that are eye-catching will entice viewers to search for more. The best way to share your listing on YouTube is through your listing videos. YouTube has always been the place for long-form videos, but they now have an upload option on their app for vertical shorts. Utilizing both of these upload options when possible is the best way to bring more views to your YouTube channel. Instagram was always the place for photos, but that's changed over the past few years. Instagram has made a huge push to optimize video posts, specifically in their Reels feature, which promotes short-form videos up to 60 seconds. With that being said, there's still value in incorporating eye-catching photos into your feed. We highly recommend using twilight photos, unique interiors, and vertical videos on Instagram Reels to get the most views on your listing.